If I told you people are getting 200 million views from literal plants shaped like airplanes, you'd think I'm joking, right? But I'm not. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works and how you can do it too, using only free AI tools. No paid tricks, no hidden hacks, nothing. You've probably seen those topiary style videos on Instagram, those oddly satisfying clips where plants are trimmed into insane shapes like planes or animals. And somehow they keep blowing up with millions and millions of views while almost nobody is touching this niche on YouTube Shorts yet. And that's the opportunity nobody is talking about. One page is pulling over 210 million views on a single video, and that's not even their only hit. Their other videos are stacking millions like it's nothing. And then there's another page doing the exact same thing with videos hitting 2.1 million, 8.9 million, even 32.7 million views. And here's the crazy part. These videos are not complicated at all. There's a very simple system behind this that almost nobody realizes yet. And once you see it, you won't be able to unsee it. So today I'm stepping out of just watching and into actually doing it, and I'm going to recreate these viral videos from scratch using only free AI tools. And I mean completely free. If I use anything paid, even by mistake, I'll delete this video. That's how serious this is. Because I know most people watching don't want another theory video. You want something you can actually use right now without spending money. And that's exactly what I'm giving you. If you stay till the end, I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step process to create these viral style videos yourself, the same type that are blowing up right now. Let's start. So here's where it actually starts. And this is the part most people completely mess up. Not the editing, not the AI tools, the prompt. If your prompt is weak, your video is dead before it even begins. And that's exactly why I'm giving you the exact prompt I used. The link is in the description. It'll take you to my website, and from there you can open the prompt directly. It'll load in a simple Google Docs style page. Now once you open it, don't just copy it blindly. This is where you make it yours. You'll see a word inside brackets, something like elephant, and this is the core object of your video. This one word decides everything your video becomes. So if you want a car, you write car. If you want an airplane, write airplane. You can literally choose anything. So let's say I type car. Now the entire idea shifts toward that concept. And once you've done that, don't overthink it. Don't tweak 10 things. Just copy the full prompt exactly after editing that one word. That's it. Simple. After copying the prompt, you go straight to ChatGPT. Now, once you're inside ChatGPT, don't just start typing randomly. There's a specific path you need to follow here. Go to the Explore GPTs section, click on it, and in the search bar, type Time-Lab Restoration. You'll see it pop up right at the top. Open the first one and hit Start Chat. Now this is where everything you did earlier finally connects. Take that prompt you copied from the Google Doc, paste it directly into this GPT, and don't change anything here. Just paste it exactly the way it is and hit Generate. And within a few seconds, you'll see your prompts are ready. Not just one, but two types, an image prompt and a video prompt. This is the backbone of the entire process, and most people don't even realize why having both of these is the real advantage. So here's what we're going to do next. Remember that first image prompt ChatGPT gave you? That's the one you need right now. Go back, copy only the first image prompt. Don't touch the others yet, because this first output is what sets the foundation for your entire video. For generating the image, we're going to use Pippit AI. And yes, this is completely free. If you sign up using in the description, you'll get free credits to start generating images instantly. So once you log in, you'll land on a dashboard where you'll see options for image and video. Don't get confused here. Just click on the image option. Now keep it simple. Paste your prompt directly into the input box. Then select the model and make sure you set the aspect ratio to 9:16 because this format works best for these types of viral clips. Once everything is set, just hit generate. And this is the moment where your idea starts turning into something you can actually see. Within seconds, your first image will start appearing on the screen. And this is not just any image. This is the first frame of your viral video. Now your first image is ready, but this is where most people stop. And that's exactly why their videos never go viral. One image is just a picture, not a story. We need progression. We need transformation. So here's what you do next. Below your first generated image in Pippit AI, you'll see two options, download and add to chat. Don't download it yet. Click on add to chat. What this does is it sends your generated image back into the prompt box as a reference, and this is the secret to making your visuals feel connected instead of random. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt it generated for you earlier. This second prompt is designed to evolve the first image, not replace it. Come back to Pippit AI, paste that second prompt while keeping the first image as reference in the prompt box, and then hit generate again. And now you'll see it. Your second image starts to form, similar style, same concept, but slightly progressed. That's exactly what we want, because what we're actually building here is not just images, it's a sequence that tricks the brain into seeing motion. Once the second image is ready, repeat the exact same process. Click add to chat again so the new image becomes the next reference. Then go back, copy the third image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it here, and generate again. Then do it one more time for the fourth image. Don't change anything. Don't experiment here. Just follow the chain, because each image depends on the previous one, and breaking this flow will break your entire video. So by the end of this step, you'll have 4 images, all connected, all evolving step by step. And now you've reached the point where things start to look real. Now all your images are ready. And this is the moment where everything either becomes viral or completely useless, because images alone won't get you millions of views, motion does. So the next step is converting these images into videos. And yes, we're still doing this with 100% free tool. But before that, let me show you something important, because this is where most people get stuck. When I first generated my images, I used car as the topic. But honestly, I didn't like how it looked. It felt average, nothing special, nothing that would stop someone from scrolling. So instead of forcing it, I went back. I clicked on chat again inside ChatGPT, took the same original prompt, pasted it again, and changed just one word from car to airplane. That's it. Then I hit generate again, followed the exact same process, and recreated all 4 images step by step. And suddenly, everything looked better, more unique, more scroll stopping. Now with the new images ready, we're moving to the final transformation, turning these static images into an actual video. Now we're at the final stage, and this is where everything comes together. You've done the hard part. Your images are ready. Now it's time to turn them into an actual video. So first, go back to Pippit AI and download all the images you generated. Don't skip this, because these exact images are what we're going to animate. Now for the video part, we're going to use another 100% free AI tool. Go to the link in the description, open the website, and you'll find a section where your video generation tool is linked. Click on that and you'll land on a new interface. At first, it might look a bit confusing, but ignore everything else and focus only on one button, Start New Video. Click on it. Now you'll see a fresh workspace. This is where your images finally become motion. The first thing you need to do here is set the aspect ratio to portrait. After that, select the model, choose VO 3.1. This is the one that gives the smoothest results for this type of content. Once you select it, the interface will update again, and now you're ready to actually convert your images into video. Now this is where everything comes together. Go to Create from Scratch and select Animate Image. Then upload your first image. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, paste it here, and click Generate. Once the clip is ready, click Insert to add it to your timeline. Now repeat the same process for all images. Upload the next image, paste the next video prompt, generate, and insert. Do this step by step. Don't rush, because this sequence is what makes your video smooth and satisfying. After all clips are ready, click the share button and download your final video. That's it. Your viral style video is ready using 100% free AI tools.